Good morning, students. So again, we are back with after a long break. Okay. Now from today again, we are going to start our English class. So let's begin our class today with grammar section, and today we are going to do lesson 3 of your grammar section, that is noun. And after that, we will do numbers. Okay. Lesson 3, noun and numbers. First of all, today I'll tell you what is number. Noun you know very well. The name of any person, place, animal, thing or any feeling is called noun. And we have discussed the types of noun in our previous classes. Today we are going to see numbers. Okay, what is numbers? Now you have heard these two words, singular, and the second word is plural. You have heard these two words, singular and plural. So these are the numbers. Now we will know what is singular. So the word which is used to express one unit. Okay, the word which is used to express one unit is called singular noun. For example, if I write here boy, okay, so boy means what? One boy, right? So this is called singular noun. Now if I write bench, bench means what? One bench. Okay, so it is singular noun. Now plural. Plural means what? So the word which tells us about more than two. Two or more than two. Okay? The word which tells us about two or more than two is called plural noun. For example, if I talk about two boys, what I'll say? Boys. Okay, if I talk about two bench or more than two bench, what I'll say? Benches. Okay, so these are numbers, singular and plural. Okay, now you will think, ma'am, this is very easy. Yes, of course it is very easy. But today we are going to read some basic rules. Okay, now what are those basic rules? I am giving you one example here. Okay, for example, see here. If I have written boy and I'll ask the plural of boy, what you will say? That ma'am, plural of boy is boys. Okay? If I write monkey and I'll ask you what is plural of monkey, what you will say? Ma'am, monkeys. Right? But if I write here baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. And if I'll ask you what is the plural of baby, you will say, ma'am, babies. I-E-S. Understood? Now think of one question that you know that if a word is ending with Y, if a word is ending with Y, we change it to I-E-S. Okay, this is a common rule which you know. But why we haven't changed it here? Why we haven't changed it here? Okay, so today we will read about these rules. Okay, so if I talk about the first rule, we generally change singular to plural by adding S. Okay, we generally change singular to plural by adding S. If I write tree, then trees, girl, then girls. Okay, this is common rule. We generally use S to change to plural. Okay, now the second thing, if a word is ending with SH, if a word is ending with CH, okay, if a word is ending with O, etc., many words are there. If the word is ending with such type of letters, we use ES to change the word to plural. For example, I have written here bench. The word is ending with CH. Okay, so change it to plural. What I have added here? ES. Right? Now, if a word will end with O, for example, I am writing here mango. Mango is singular noun, right? And if I change it to plural, what I write here? Mangoes. Okay, so if a word is ending with SH, CH, O, double O, then in such conditions, we use ES with the word to make it plural. Okay, these were common two rules. Now the third rule, we'll move on to the word ending with Y. I've said you just as you know that if a word is ending with Y, we will change it to IES. Okay. But But there is one rule. Okay, what is the main rule? That if a word is ending with Y, for the word ending with Y, if a word is ending with Y and it has vowel before it, okay, it means if I talk about the structure, if I write it in this way, that if there is vowel and after the vowel, if there is Y. Okay, in any word, if there is vowel and after vowel, if there is Y, then in that case, we will use S to change it to plural. Understood? If there is vowel and after vowel, if there is Y, then in that case, we will use S to change it to plural. And if there is any consonant, okay, if there is any consonant and after consonant if there is Y, then in that case this Y will change to I and we will add ES. Understood what is the basic rule? The basic rule is that if there is any vowel and after vowel if there is Y, then we will add S to make it plural. For example, if I have written here boy, then see there is Y and just before Y there is a vowel. Okay, so if there is vowel plus Y, then we have added S. Okay, now at the same time if I talk about baby, okay, see there is Y at the end and just before Y there is B, and as we know B is consonant. So if there is consonant plus Y, what we have added here? IES to change it to plural. So it means what? You don't need to learn the words. Okay, you need to remember only this rule. The rule is that if there is vowel and after vowel if you are getting Y, you will add S, and if there is consonant after consonant if you are getting Y, you will add IES. Okay. Now, the next rule is if the word is ending with F or if the word is ending with FE, okay, then while changing it to plural, by F is changed to V and we add ES with it. Understood? If the word is ending with F or if the word is ending with FE, then we change FE with VES. For example, if I talk about the example, I have written here wife. Okay? The word is ending with FE. And as I have told you the rule, FE will change to VES. So what we will write? WIVES. Wives. If I talk about the another example, I have written here life. Life is ending with FE. So as I have told you the rule that if the word is ending with FE, we will remove F and we will add VES to make it plural. These are the common rules. Now one more rule we are going to read here, the word ending with O. Okay, if the word is ending with O. For example, just I have written here mango. Mango, and if I'll change it to plural, what I'll write? Mangoes. In this case also there is same rule that if the word is ending with O and if there is consonant before it, we will use ES. Okay, if there is O at the last and if just before O there is any consonant, then we will use ES to change it to plural. Now if there is O and if there is any vowel before O, we will just use S to change it to plural. Okay, so these were the common rules which you will use it when you will change any singular noun to plural noun. Okay, so again we will meet in our next class. So for that I'll give you some assignment today. You have to use your mind. You don't need to learn everything. Okay, just use your mind and change some words from singular to plural. Thank you.
फायदा है